welcome back to this new video of Tech Express. So if your daily routine as an e-commerce store owner still involves logging into 6 different dashboard applications, running manual stock checks, upload ASB files to grab product description, or wrestling with confusing liquid theme code blocks, your operational model is completely obsolete. So would it be officially stepping out of the era of the manual site administration or entering the era to fully conversational storefront management? So let's break down the exact tools making this native pipeline a reality, showcasing 2 real-world examples of how to instantly changes how to run an actual store. So the first thing that we want to focus on is into Cloud Shopify operational stack. So there's an actual developer pipeline, which is the Shopify AI toolkit, the cloud code, and the direct liquid customization. There's the operational brief that can be helping you with the anthropic model context, the automation layer, and the intelligence core. To unlock this level of performance, you have to move past the basic web prompts by utilizing these direct API layers. What I did to make this process really fast is to go directly into my Cloudy. And what I needed to do, I'm going to try to log out because this is not the actual account that I use for this specific account. So as you can see, it says I want to connect to my Shopify store. It's already been connected. But what I did to check out the actual connection between my actual Shopify and the other element, what I did is to go all my way up and I asked, how can I connect to my Shopify? And sometimes it will be telling you that the search connector has officially looked out for a Shopify connector available, and here's how to actually connect it. So what I need to do is to make the actual element of the Cloudy to find the actual connector and hit into the element that says connect. Just like that, it will be asking you to, of course, make the actual connection between the actual application and the actual Shopify. Once you have successfully done that element, usually it will be telling you that it's now been correctly added. So sometimes here it says that here appears as connected. So here it says connected above to the link. Once connected, I'll be able to help you manage the product. So the real example is the autonomous pricing and the stock audit. For example, I asked help me automate that product metadata. And basically it has checked lively how the product has now been stored my first. So as you can see, here are all my products, and as you can see, it tells me that there's critical issues, there's other gaps, there's 5 products have empty description, there's no middle missing product type, no tags, and has no feature images, and the other gaps is there are several active products that has no tags, most variants are missing, and the complete no description. So it says, what would you like to title first? And I asked to fix the tags and product type, and as you can see, has been doing all of those elements. Additionally, I asked to help me add image relevance and great designs to my current online store theme, and this is the actual work that the actual Cloud has done so far for my actual current website. So that means that instead of having something really easily like this, I have now something a little bit more amazing to be working on. So as you can see, it has something a little bit more structurized, and it actually looked really fine when it comes to checking out snowboarding. So for example, what I just need to do is to check out, for example, videos about snowboarding, 4K, something like that. And I choose, for example, I don't know, something really easy. For example, this one. I copy this specific link, I paste it directly inside here, this element, and I hit for the element that says save. And now for the upper section where I have this specific image, I go for the element that says select. And here I have, for example, images. And where it says generate images, let's say, for example, a 4K snowboarding, like that, and it's going to be generating just a really easily image of the actual snowboarding. But the actual structure of the actual website has not been successfully done by the actual Claude. This is something that I really appreciate about the actual element. There's a conversational, for example, liquid code. As you can see, there's the second real word that we ask for an actual element to change. So watch what happens when you let Cloud evaluate the repository layout, and you can be telling what you actually like, what you actually don't like. The sidekick of Shopify does that work as well, but sometimes it will be telling you that there's no way how you can actually do this, and you need to do that manually. That's the reason why Cloudy actually does the work for you, and basically there's nothing that you needed to do because the actual Cloudy has done all of that element without having to even touch that stuff. So basically here I'm gonna go for this specific image. I selected, hit for the element that says done, there we go, and hit for the element that says save. So as you can see, this specific changes has now been successfully added, and it actually looks really, really fine. So I'm going to just close the specific features and hit for save. You can ask, for example, the AI of the Cloudy to do more stuff than just check out the actual images. You can do more elements and hit, for example, the element to check out the view element to check out more stuff. The golden rule here of the AI operation is that when you give an advanced AI agent direct access to modify your live element, you must apply strict operational rights. Never give a broad comment like change the process across the entire catalog. Always want to force Claude to present a before and after data preview logged with an exact item count before confirming the final execution step, so take that in mind. This was like a really easily way of how you can actually get started with the actual element of Cloudy inside the Shopify. If you have any questions, you can let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, guys, if you want to receive more great tools of Cloudy. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully we can all see you next time.